I also got a lot of messages from my guy friends when I put this up on social media to say, साले हमें क्यों नहीं बताता जब तू ऐसे पार्टियों में जाता है? अरे PT, that is Pankaj Tripathi. We are in Edinburgh. If you have a day in Edinburgh and you're walking with Pankaj Tripathi with coffee, it is the best time that you can have, and I really, really cherish this photo.
How's Ranveer Singh off screen?
He is exactly as you would expect, like super enthusiastic, very, very energetic, and just always in character. We have both gone to the gym together, and I remember how excited I was, but then also how scared I was when I saw the amount of weights that he was lifting. Jaguda is amazing. He is the sweetest, most genuine person who I have ever worked with. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जिनको कूल होने की कोशिश नहीं करनी पड़ती, वो बस कूल हैं. He's just that. Like he'll come on set, he's wearing ripped jeans, black t-shirt, 3 buttons open. डायरेक्टर की कहानी सुनाने से पहले उन्होंने बोला था अच्छा हम एक शॉर्ट फिल्म कर रहे हैं जैकी श्रॉफ के साथ, इसकी कहानी है. मैंने बोला सर डन. जैकी श्रॉफ के साथ हम 2 रात बिताएंगे ऑन सेट. क्या चाहिए इससे बेटर कुछ हो नहीं सकता.
हेलो हाय आदाब नमस्कार सत श्री अकाल. आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं बॉलीवुड बबल और मेरा नाम है अविनाश पाल. आज मेरे साथ मौजूद है सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली. इनके जैसा सीनियर कॉलेज सीनियर मिलना किस्मत की बात होती है. मेरे साथ मौजूद है द वेरी टैलेंटेड ताहिर राज भसीन.
थैंक यू अविनाश, ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन जो है आपका इंट्रोडक्शन. मतलब पूरा का पूरी फिल्मोग्राफी जो है आपने बोल डाली इसमें.
हमारा एक सेगमेंट है जिसका नाम है मेमोरी बुक. मैं आपको कुछ फोटोज दिखाऊंगा, उन फोटोज को देख के जो भी जहन में है प्लीज शेयर विद आवर ऑडियंस.
ओके.
And also please show photo to camera.
Oh wow, that's Fatty and me, Fatima. We were shooting a song for Ritviz, a music video, and this is in Lonavala, and it is at the end of a 14-hour day, and it's a very special music video. I still like to listen to that song on days when I'm going for a run or working out. And it was just like, it was one of those impromptu shoots that we just did for the love of the music. Like 2 दिन पहले phone आया and we shot that music video and it was damn fun.
Cool. Next.
Arey, that is Taapsee and we're on the sets of Loop Lapeta. That is Satya and Savi, and this film was a mad ride. It's got a really super director named Akash Bhatia, and the film is also on Netflix, by the way, and it's also one of the few crazy comedies that I've done, which is why I really enjoyed it.
Run Lola Run.
Yeah. Pressure. Arey, PT, that is Pankaj Tripathi. We are in Edinburgh in Scotland, and this is on like between days on 83. हम 83 की शूटिंग चल रही थी और एक दिन की छुट्टी मिली थी. पंकज त्रिपाठी एडिनबरा देख चुके थे तो उन्होंने उस दिन बोला कि चलो हम तुम्हें एडिनबरा दिखाएंगे. एंड if you have a day in Edinburgh and you're walking with Pankaj Tripathi with coffee, it is the best time that you can have, and I really, really cherish this photo.
Wow. Okay. Loser.
Array, this is a very special moment. It's on the sets of Chhichhore, and अभी हमारी filming खत्म हुई है, and we decided to do one photograph, and this photograph was used in the film also when Sushant's character has a flashback and he looks at like this photograph. This one of course is different because it has Nitesh sir in it.
Director way.
But yeah, the one it's a very special memory.
Next one.
अरे ये तो इज क्वाइट ऑब्वियस है कौन से फिल्म के सेट पर है. दैट इज कपिल देव एंड सुनील गावस्कर. आई थिंक इट्स टेकन ड्यूरिंग द फाइनल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ 1983 एंड we're both discussing strategy but also just having a great time on set.
How's Ranveer Singh off screen?
He is exactly as you would expect, like super enthusiastic, very, very energetic, and just always in character.
Have you ever seen him dull? क्योंकि मैंने जितना बाबा को देखा, he's always top.
Yeah, he's like again
music के साथ.
Yeah. Always, I've never seen him dull.
है ना?
Yeah.
Nice. Next.
That is Mouni and Disha, and we're at Mouni's restaurant that she had just opened. This is while we were shooting Sultan of Delhi, and I just remember it being a really fun evening. I also got a lot of messages from my guy friends when I put this up on social media to say, साले हमें क्यों नहीं बताता जब तू ऐसे पार्टियों में जाता है. So I'm really sorry, and Mouni, thanks for inviting me for that one.
Okay. बिड़ू झाड़ लगा.
अरे यार, Jaguda is amazing. He is the sweetest, most genuine person who I have ever worked with. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जिनको कूल होने की कोशिश नहीं करनी पड़ती, वो बस कूल है. He's just that. Like he'll come on set, he's wearing ripped jeans, black t-shirt, 3 buttons open. He's just a chiller. Like by a real definition. Yeah.
एंड विद पौधा.
And with Poda. Yes.
कोई रेसिपी बताई इन्होंने आपको, क्योंकि आजकल उनकी
यार उन दिनों में उन्होंने अपनी कुकिंग के रेसिपीज चालू नहीं किए थे, तो मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया था, पर और बहुत बातें हुई थी. And he's just an amazing person to be on set with. And I remember this is a short film that both of us shot together. और मैंने करी इसीलिए क्योंकि मुझे मतलब डायरेक्टर की कहानी सुनाने से पहले उन्होंने बोला था अच्छा हम एक शॉर्ट फिल्म कर रहे हैं जैकी श्रॉफ के साथ, इसकी कहानी है. मैंने बोला सर डन 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 डन, जैकी श्रॉफ के साथ हम 2 रात बिताएंगे ऑन सेट.
क्या चाहिए,
इससे बेटर कुछ हो नहीं सकता.
अग्री.
Arey, this is J.A. John Abraham. We're in Budapest and he has woken me up at 7 in the morning and said, let's go to the gym. And because I'm doing Force 2 and I'm with him, we have both gone to the gym together, and I remember how excited I was, but then also how scared I was when I saw the amount of weights that he was lifting. But I learnt a lot from John on this set.
थोड़ा सा इनकी फिटनेस के बारे में बताएंगे.
It's another level. It's another level because for him it's not fitness, it's a lifestyle, like his eating habits, and he's passionately in love with being fit. And I learned a lot from him in the early part of my career. Just to understand that fitness is not about overdoing. It's not about going to the gym for 2 hours a day and drinking only protein shakes. You can be balanced. I think he's gone vegetarian also. You can have a very balanced lifestyle. You can work out 4 days a week, and it's about regulating your sleep. It's about working out at the same time, regulating your diet. And he was great because he actually gave his trainer to me to say, why don't you work out with him for 3 months? And that was super, and which is why I was like in good shape for Force 2.
Nice.
Wow, that's an ancient photograph. That's me with Tiger and Ali. I think this is the year both Mardani and Hero Manti have released, and we were doing a round table, like an actors round table, and all of us were chatting about something.
Okay. Next.
This is obviously SSR, and we are at his place. This is between shoot days of Chhichhore, जहाँ पर हमारा थोड़ा जल्दी पैकअप हो जाता था, तो he would say चलो आ जाओ. सीन के बातें हुआ करती थी, अब उनके कॉलेज की लाइफ, मेरे कॉलेज की लाइफ, एंड इट वाज अ ग्रेट टाइम. दिस इज वेयर अन्नी एंड डेरिक एक्चुअली वुड बॉन्ड ऑफ सेट.
सुशांत के घर की बहुत तारीफ सुनी है
जी.
आप गए हुए, लाइक ये टोल की.
Yeah, it was just a spectacularly done up house, and I think the pride of his possessions was he used to have a giant telescope that he used to like stargaze with all the time.
Last.
अरे ये तो शिवानी शिवाजी रॉय A.K. रानी मुखर्जी. इट वॉज अ सुपर टाइम क्योंकि ये हमारे फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के लिए एक स्क्रीनिंग थी YRF पर, एंड रिव्यूज़ आ चुके थे, तो वी न्यू दैट मर्दानी वॉज डूइंग रियली वेल. एंड दिस इज़ ऑफ कोर्स अ स्पूफ फोटोग्राफ. दोनों ने फ़ोन्स पकड़े हुए हैं और अब हंस रहे हैं, और जिन लोगों ने पिक्चर देखी है वो जानते हैं कॉन्वर्सेशन हमेशा थ्रेड्स हुआ करते थे. एंड सच अ कोइंसिडेंस बिकॉज इवॉन इज सिटिंग हियर एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक पार्ट ऑफ लाइक the team at that point. So yeah, this photograph I think goes back, makes me sound old, but 10 years. Yeah, very special time.
Yes. Thank you, Tahir. Thank you so much for the बातचीत, and all the very best for upcoming projects.
Thank you.
और आप ऐसे ही आते रहे on screen, off screen हमसे मिलते रहे.
Thank you so much. Hi guys, this is Tahir Raj Bhasin and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.